innuendo that could be.
Only if you're lucky. Okay, who's hanging on to number 2?
Ah! How's that bearing look, Phil? We haven't got there yet.
Bag for each one of them? No, we're going to
put them back on. So we already made up a bag. So
Bearing.
This one's got a little bit of galling. You see that?
Yeah.
That's not a good thing. And actually, if you look at this journal, you'll see this one looks pretty good. This one's got a little bit of...
A little more liney lines.
Yes.
Here. I'll catch it.
I was going to take a look at this before it started bouncing around.
Oh, look.
There we go.
I
Chitty.
assume we're going to be replacing all the bearing.
Yes. It's got a hot spot. No, maybe it doesn't. This is worn. This is worn. There you go. Not too bad. Ready?
Go.
Maybe. Let me get this in here.
Got it.
Ready? What was that?
it's flashlight.
All right, there's number 2.
Missing. Where's one bolt?
I heard it drop. It's right there. It's got it.
All right. There. Sherman, here.
Oh, no, I'm fine.
Oh, yeah, it's easier that way.
So there it is too.
It is.
That's a funky, it's not a bad wear pattern, but it's rather interesting that it's
Weird.
showing up on the bottom.
That is a little weird.
So have we found a bearing that would explain the knocking noise, the noise that was coming out there?
No, because it was coming from that valve.
That was like way recessed.
The valve was chirping.
There you go.
Okay, I need somebody underneath here to catch this.
Paul, you want to catch that? No, get Ken in there. Okay, we're good.
Delivery!
Yeah, I was just going to say.
Watch out for the oil. Watch
There's
out
a
for the
little
oil.
It's fine.
There we go.
All right, that's 3.
Okay,
Number 4.
that on there. Line up the 3s.
There we are.
Might as well.
Look at the
Watch your shoes.
journal.
Yeah, I know.
Bearing out. Line up the 3s.
That one was textbook.
Yeah.
It won't come out, don't
I
worry.
need that.
Oh, there we go. That works.
Right there.
That's okay. I stole that out of the dumpster. Yeah.
Hang on to it. Is that what you were looking for?
Something to put pistons in.
Yeah,
So that works perfect.
That'll
That's
work.
dumpster fresh.
It'll work.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm always finding stuff like that.
Now the bottom end on this engine is quite good. Now for what it's worth, I had a suspicion that was the case because the engine made great oil pressure right off the bat.
Yeah.
It would come right up to 45 pounds at idle, stone cold. Unlike a certain Cord.
There you go.
There we go.
This one's being pesky.
There it goes.
Here we go. There. That one looks like new.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
That
This
one's
one's even
good.
better.
Wow.
Look at that. Looks like a new journal.
I was going to say, maybe next week, Chuck, we teach these guys how to measure crankshafts and pistons for fun.
Yeah, we can do that.
I got my stuff to
Well,
do
the
it.
thing is that we need
There you
to
go.
get this to Arizona quickly.
Yeah. So we might not have time.
Yeah, I don't know.
You can always do it in reassembly.
I can always do it with a random crank I have, too.
Yeah.
Because I
A few hanging around.
got a really nice forged GM
You got it?
350 crank.
So you guys have seen me do this now 4 times, and I've already loosened these two up.
Yeah, this is all you guys.
You can take over.
Have
Rock
at
on.
it.
Wants to do what?
Go.
Take out the
Take it apart.
pistons.
Somebody,
Who wants to do what?
somebody catch.
Yeah, you guys do.
How's it looking?
It's right
Okay,
there.
so you don't
still
want
here.
the nuts.
Kind of a little
hit
burnt
the-
there, but the
Yeah, you don't want things hitting the journal.
Yeah, you don't want the nuts to hit the journal.
So just get this is the journal.
Yeah, push it past the crank.
Keep going, keep going.
Yeah, hit the ridge.
Chuck, what do you think of this one?
Give me a good look at that.
Top. This is
Yeah.
this is a bottom
okay,
or
now
top.
it's
The
below
top.
the.
It's not bad.
Where's the?
It's got a
orange
little.
thing?
That little hoop-de-doo there.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep, yep. Okay.
There you go. Once it gets past the tension of the rings, it slides right out.
Yep.
These are the pistons are in very, very good shape. Do we want to reuse them? Probably not because of the wear in the ring lands.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'll let Grant figure that out. The machinist.
Okay.
Grant 3. That is Grant 3.
So you're shipping it off to Arizona? Or you?
We got to have a road trip to Arizona.
Cool.
You know, it's close to 500 miles, but
I drove at Phoenix.
this is here
And flew
to
back to Iowa.
here
Illinois, wherever
here
the hell
to
it was.
100 miles past Tucson.
Okay. Way the hell out there.
Yeah, you're going.
Well, we'll take the 8. We'll go down Salton Sea and then take
Ooh,
the 8.
salt and sea.
How are they?
I always thought about going there, but I never did.
It's beautiful, actually.
Not a lot of speed limits over there.
You guys.
Well, there are
Maybe,
speed limits, but nobody's there to
I would
catch it.
like to do it within
All I think about is
a
those
week
sulfur
from
nights when
today.
you smell it
So
from here.
sometime
It's like,
in
I don't want to
we
go
went
over
down
there.
A week or two ago, and it was.
I got to
wasn't
call
bad at
Grant
all.
tomorrow
Damn
morning
it.
and say, hey, I got
You
the
didn't get it yet?
torn apart.
I got it. Turn it.
It's the bores look like they're in good shape. We may, it might be, well, truth be told, we probably just
Give it
need
a little.
clarity over,
Give it a little turn.
and we'll probably
We can
take
do what we
the
did
crank
before,
10
put that
under.
on.
Yeah, put the.
Put this on here and
Yeah, there
then
you
hit
go.
this.
No, other way.
Well,
Do it
actually,
that way.
Either way. Yep.
Now the thing is,
Oh, wise guy, eh?
yeah, that cap will cock in on
No.
the thing, so you got to rock it back and forth and it'll loosen up.
Right, the other side.
Yeah, the bolt's gone in, but it hasn't let loose up top.
Yeah. I
Take
think
the
it.
other bolt.
try it again.
Yeah, that's
Bang, bang. Come
The
on.
other bolt. That sounds good.
That sounds promising.
There you go.
Hold on.
A little more.
Got a split.
Here, give it a little herky jerky. Yeah, that's popped them before too.
Just jerk it back and
Jerk it
forth.
back and forth. Yeah, sometimes they'll pop loose. And then
Not doing
it's
it.
wiggling a little bit, but
Yeah.
yeah, it's turns a lot.
come on. I've never had.
Look at the condition of that bearing.
No, hold on.
Sorry.
Is that a good
Minimal
one? or-
wear.
Yeah, that's.
No, they're all good.
So if you see scoring, that's what you're looking for, right?
Well, I'm looking for wear also. So this is an upper bearing shell. This takes all the stress.
Right, from the.
Right. And
crank.
what in
Bang, bang.
normally these are made of 3 different metals: lead, copper, and steel backing. I don't know what this one is made
There
of.
we go.
Now modern
I see
bearings can
something.
be
Are we
all
on, like,
aluminum
6?
too.
Yeah.
But what happens is you'll wear the lead off and you'll see the substrate underneath. And we see that here and
Just
here.
on the edge, yeah.
And then we see it here like there was a little high spot and it just rubbed off. But no, this is
Yeah, that's the only problem with those.
this is really, really an awesome bearing for an engine that has 140,000 miles.
It's not gonna come
Yeah,
off.
and is it, these are pretty smooth too. So is that? I mean, what do you look for on these?
Well, we at that point what we do is we run our fingernail across it and we shouldn't feel anything. Like this one has like one little ridge in it. This one here is the worst one right here. And you can actually feel it. But it's not bad.
Yeah.
Not at
Oh
all.
yeah, you can feel little ridges there.
Right.
Not at all.
Right, let's get the last one.
All right.
Two.
Let's get this last one. There you go.